and let me say this in English, is puts conditions. Conditions. Because right now, the government is still a Kenya Kwanza government. When Ruto was in Mombasa yesterday, he was talking about Joe, my minister, not our minister. We're talking about my minister. When we went to the Grand Coalition, none. Kibaki could not sack anybody without Raila's authority. It was written in the law. So tomorrow, if Ruto decides to take over Sakiti, to a document more, which is enforceable, which allows the rules, to a marriage certificate, who Kauraraki, Holela, Kakamu, leave. That would be the greatest stupidity. We got so many lawyers here, including Rodney. Nitie Nyakomoro Kamunjo Oyere in the Law Society of Kenya, Milu Faith Odiamu. That lady, she is peaceful. She knows what Kenya desires. Kenya Moyomi teach. Ngede uyawi nige Ruto. Okage mabara. Kenya Moyomi teach Otamare. We got too many people who are died. Koro akwawu. Giyilo mwango. Pare uru. Ne a sublocation. Yoto iko na timoroka. Mogo risas. Sana okane ruku biro kani. Mua iko. Nite nyati moro usenge. Nyewan kode nyoro. Nogo risasi. Mutendo chot. Nengi dako dako tendo chot. Uye komsiya ni duwara ukakabeti. Alone, we buried more than 20 people. Makidi miechigi moko lopregono. Omiyo people bed, ijo moko, maka gimuro biro, ichalo jahawanya, widhi tito hawanya dala ngata. Tokori dwa beto kuon mono kata wundas. Mano kina timo. Kata be okobiyeni. Omiyo an aye Kenya ka. Kako buro wacho mamasia chupe. An kadiyanya ayanyo ngege matima. Kadiyanya ayanyo ngege matima. Kawacha dear. It will stay forever. It will stay forever. Koro miyako kanisa. Kikuwa lemo. Even in the church, people have paid a price. There was a bishop of Canterbury, known as Bishop Becket. Monone Ecclesia, Kakedo Pen. Omeo Bishop Emuango, Kuye, Kikuringi in unholy alliance. Kikuringi. Unemunyalo, Chopo Kaporu Wataniji, you have gone too much. Let's pray. It was in Leumon. The State House. Kiki use Kuon Pio Kan. Nika Kanga mi Kuon. What another river attack. When he yelled for the Hokkaido Island, no, I don't know, Kunya Romo Guru to State House. Of me, I stand with the Gen Z, I stand with the Chang. I stand with the Chama Orange Democratic Party. Kangeo, niko kwa luo laini mabea. Kwa abro bero kaka kadu, wane uwoni jini, ni waberu chama chian, muliro gidonje, shikuku kene mno tamre, and Kenya became a one-party state. Ruto is killing political parties. Ose mwenye Jubilee, wame de ODM kwa tang kwa one. So we have to be very careful. Very careful. Ojina mono ochuna numoda wach mai because wan go siasa kai to nitie jo siasa moko. I want to advise our politicians here. Nitie dhiang' moro mokineno dhiang' mathuon makidonjo kedi kul teni mineno to kara oroe en very poor. Mako ano uligom to go. Oiligom to go. Siasa moro oiligom no mendo wawe uru. Nyakwane kama pindie kama ber kodwa. To kani gimoro bira oiligom. Owatamore. Asante sana kanisa.